Welcome to CloudApper's UKG Customization Workshop, designed to help you unlock the full potential of your UKG HCM software. CloudApper, a premier UKG technology partner and winner of the 2023 UKG Technology Innovation Award, understands that every organization faces unique challenges and needs tailored solutions. Our platform bridges the gaps in your workforce management and other software in your organization, offering over 200 pre-built enhancements and 150 third-party integrations. With CloudApper, you can easily tailor UKG to your specific needs, streamlining processes, automating workflows, and addressing gaps in functionality, all without requiring additional development resources. This workshop provides practical, step-by-step training to help you extract the most value from your UKG HCM system. You'll learn how to implement custom features, integrate third-party systems, and simplify complex workflows, ensuring your system aligns perfectly with your business goals. Join us to elevate your HCM capabilities and maximize your UKG investment. Register for our workshop today and let CloudApper, a trusted UKG partner, help you drive efficiency and success.